Step 1. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power switch. Step 2. Adjust the temperature. Step 3. Set to P4 manual mode and press the start switch. P1 manual mode, press and hold the blue button for 3 seconds. Rotate to P1 manual mode and press the left button to realize forward, pause, and reverse movement. Stroke adjustment, rotate the emergency stop button and press it to return to the initial state. Emergency stop button, press the blue button to adjust the travel height, then rotate the blue button to increase or decrease the value. Hot stamping time, click the blue button to the stamping time and rotate to adjust the time. Fault 1, press the start button. The motor will make a buzzing sound. You need to press and hold the knob button. Check the D parameter, set it to D64. Fault 2, if the start button doesn't respond, switch to P1 mode, press the emergency stop button to return the motor to its original position, and then switch back to P4 mode. Fault 3, press the start button, and the hot plate will make a clicking sound when it hits the product. You need to reduce the stroke height value and set it according to the actual situation.